Hey, have you ever been told a secret you couldn't believe you were hearing that sounded too good to be true? But deep down, you knew that if it worked, your life will change forever? Well, that's exactly what happened to me. Before this book, Credit Design Secrets, I had no idea that you can design your own credit to the T. I'm talking about being able to add leases, auto loans, personal loans, and a bunch of other types of primary accounts onto your credit report. I mean, it's mind-blowing how you can create your own solid 800 credit score. I'm living proof. I drive an S-Class. I have over $1 million worth of credit. I've been around the world twice on vacation, and this is all before I even started my own business.
Hey, you weren't lying about the credit, and every Richard Mille can get with it.
Man, if you're an entrepreneur, you're gonna love this with all of your heart. I'm so excited for you right now. I can't wait till you read this book. Do yourself a favor, hit that download button, download this book, and unlock the secrets bankers and only 10% of Americans are privileged to. Do that, and you'll begin your crossover to the big leagues. Just to show you how real this is, I'm gonna give you access to a $5,000 revolving line of credit you can add to your credit right now. I mean, like right now, today. I'll see you on the other side, where you can get the chance to see what having exceptional credit looks and feels like. I'll see you soon.